Hey all, here at osandvtxreviews.com. You're watching our unboxing of the RadioShack chess partner 1680X. This is a touchscreen chess computer system that is extremely interesting to take a look at. It's not like a traditional chessboard in that every single square on here is actually touch sensitive. So whenever you put a piece on it, the computer will actually recognize that as a move, and then it will say move computer piece to this move. So it is a smart computer system. You can play with the computer, of course. It has a sensor built on here, so after you put in a move, it's going to try and move its own piece. Or you can play with another friend or family member. And as you can see, there are also LED lights along the two edges of the chess computer, which will guide you through your movements. Like, for example, move your computer piece to B2. The B2 square will automatically light up, so you can kind of line up these two lights and two dots to this one square where you have to move, which is pretty interesting and very cool. Now, this is actually also endorsed by the current world champion in chess, which is another cool feature of it. And all in all, it just seems like a very cool feature-packed chess computer that we haven't really seen in the past. It takes four AA batteries or an AC adapter to operate. And you can see a special sensory playing surface records a move when you press a piece against a square. This is going to cost around $30 to $40 at RadioShack, so it's not too cheap, but it's not too expensive either, which we're glad to see. And some more features include two-player mode, large adjustable LCD screen, a rank and file board lights, 64 play levels for playing against a computer, special sensory surface, problem setup, play button, taking back moves, rule and reinforcement. So it's actually going to teach you how to play chess using the computer. And there's also a training or a coach mode, which allows you to learn and get progressively better as the computer teaches you through different strategies and through different moves. And there's also a coach function, again, that I was talking about. So very, very feature-packed, a great learning tool, a great playing tool that I'm pretty excited to take a look at. So there we go. That's just a flap in here, and inside we just basically have the device and some instruction manuals. Nothing too fancy. We have, first of all, a Rules of Chess, which is a little chess book produced for this device. It's going to teach you how to play and how to recognize the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 grid system that is used commonly to say what move we want to move our chess pieces to, how to count and how much each chess piece is worth, and different common moves. We also have an instruction manual to how to use this particular model and how to use it effectively. There's also some troubleshooting information, and finally there is some study positions, which allows you to interpret who's going to win in this move, who's going to win in this move, kind of like a real chess book. It has some games that it teaches you about the history of chess, which is kind of cool. The real device is actually here. Under this first compartment is where we'll find the magnetic pieces with the special sensory underneath the points there. This is a battery compartment on the side. The speaker is located also on the back, and we also have a reset hole. And on the front is where we'll find the actual device, which is very interesting. You can see the chessboard is like so, and you see that all the LED indicators are also located along the edges of the chessboard. And on the right, we have access to the LCD display, the button controls for the new levels, level selections, turning the device on and off, selecting a new coach level, changing the settings in terms of the color of your chess pieces, taking back moves and playing moves, and turning the device on and off is found on the top, and you'll find access to the DC input, powering the device on and changing the contrast of the screen to make it more readable or less readable under different conditions. So if we wanted to set things up, you can see that it's showing us where to put each chess piece. For example, where to put the king. I'm going to press on that. It's going to show me that I'm going to press new game, and then I'm going to show me that if I press on the queen, this is where to put the queen. If I press on my rook, this is where to put the rook, and also I have to put it here, and it's going to show me where each piece has to be positioned if I plan on playing the game correctly. So it's very cool in that it also teaches you the positions of the pieces as you are playing, especially if you're a novice to chess. And again, it senses where the pieces are, so it's going to vibrate and also buzz whenever you put a piece and move it around. So again, a very interesting little gadget. I'm going to review this thing and post a full written review on the website. So thanks for watching here at osandvtxreviews.com.